Welcome to Artificial Intelligence Bytes series, Python Fundamentals, Containers and Strings. What if I told you that one line of Python code can organize millions of data points? Here's why Python dominates AI. I'm Samantha, and after 20 years building AI systems, I can tell you Python's secret isn't complexity, it's simplicity. Python, variables are like smart containers. Write x equals 5 and Python automatically knows it's a number. No declarations, no fuss. The Python adapts to your data, not the other way round. Need to organize data? Python gives you 3 superpowers. Lists for ordered sequences, sets for unique collections, and dictionaries for key value relationships. Each one purpose-built for different data challenges. Strings in Python are immutable. Once created, they can't change. But watch this. You can slice them, join them, and format them with surgical precision. And perfect for processing text in artificial intelligence applications. Variables, collections, and strings. These aren't just coding basics. They're the foundation of every AI breakthrough. Master these, and you're speaking the language of intelligent machines. Ready to dive deeper into Python for AI? Subscribe for more programming fundamentals that power the future.